Best Acer monitor settings for R6. In this video, I'm going to share the best Acer monitor settings to improve your Rainbow 6 Siege gameplay. Set your refresh rate to the highest supported, which is 144 Hz or 165 Hz, to minimize motion blur and make fast movement smooth. Adjust brightness to about 50 to 70% to keep the image clear but comfortable for your eyes. Increase contrast to 70 to 80% so enemies hiding in shadows becomes easier to spot. Enable FPS mode or game mode if your monitor has it, because this boosts colors and reduces input lag. Turn off any dynamic contrast or motion blur settings to avoid distractions during fast gameplay. Now set color temperature to 6500K or neutral for natural looking colors and good enemy visibility. And then set sharpness or for around 50 to 60% to get visuals crisp without adding noise. Calibrate gamma to 2.2, balancing light and dark areas, which is critical for spotting opponents in dark corners. Now enable any low input lag or fast response options your Acer monitor offers to improve your reaction speed. And that's how you get the best Acer monitor settings for Rainbow Six Siege.